substitute. Yeah, this isn't a beanie and it's kind of green, but it'll do for now. So yeah, today we're gonna be boiling water. TGB isn't here because she's out capturing dinosaurs on Mars for research projects. Yeah.
I'm definitely wearing pants, guys. I'm helping him since he obviously needs it.
Where are your pants?
I'm wearing them. Don't worry. Yeah. He needs help.
So, boiling water. It's a very complicated process.
It is.
So, I'll show you how to do it. So, yeah, boiling water. You're gonna need a pot and some water.
Woo!
Water, not Canada.
This is definitely water, okay.
Okay, so then you fill up the pot with water. Whee!
Wow.
And don't forget to grease your pans. And then, without spilling anything, you put it down. And you turn it on to the highest it could possibly go.
You just turned it off again.
No, I'm turning it on higher. Okay, now it's on the highest it can go. Now we have some time to kill. I'm gonna try and do things that TGB normally does. So, yeah.
Get out of here. You're not good at it.
Talks about snowboarding a lot. So, snowboarding is really cool and it's awesome. Yeah, she says like snowboarding like every other snowboarding word. Because snowboarding is just that cool. Because snowboarding is so fun. I mean, it's like a snow and a board. How fun is that? Board snowing is really fun. Now that it's been a few days, it should be cooked. Let's go check on it. So, that was this week's TGB episode for you. The real TGB should be back soon, hopefully, from her trip on Mars, so stick around for more amazing recipes like this one, and yeah, stay gnarly, and bye for now. Keep shredding, all that stuff that TGB usually says.